QSI Stock Analysis Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Quantum SI stock has been sitting at $4.28. Last week's performances, I'm very interested in it. It was actually bullish and I'm still looking to take things higher. Although like last week we went up 20%, I'm still looking to take the prices higher, not just from like any random way though. Now for context, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars in courses and trips. By the way, I've documented everything. But with QSI, specific approach of mine is going to be, I mean, I was definitely hoping and waiting for like a little retracements, which seems like we're kind of getting, you know, but the only thing that would be right for me to continue in this case is the price giving me a proper double break, meaning I want to see a pull down and then this double break. Now, if this does happen, then it's all cool, you know, and I will move forward. But if it does not, and if, for example, it just does go up without me, so be it. You know, I'm not going to try and force anything. So that's how QSI looks like. So this is not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and neat way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.